Have you ever received a traffic ticket in California and somehow hoped that it would disappear? You're in luck. Welcome to Ticket Snipers. Founded in 2008, Ticket Snipers is a professional legal corporation built on making traffic ticket dismissal easy, simple, and successful. With over 15,000 violations dismissed, we are here to help. Ticket Snipers' unique process is so simple, it only takes 5 minutes to gather all the necessary information needed to beat your ticket. You can sit back and relax while Ticket Snipers processes your information and sends out your prepared case documents. The documents will only require a quick signature. After that, send them to the court via certified mail. All you'll need to do is wait for the verdict. It's really that simple. No fines, no court appearances, and no insurance hikes. Ticket Snipers has a proven success rate, saving our clients on average over $1,000 a year in increased penalties. We provide a money-saving calculator, allowing you to see how much money you'll save by using Ticket Snipers to dismiss your ticket. In addition, Ticket Snipers offers a dismissal calculator, so you can easily assess the likelihood of a complete dismissal. Join thousands of happy California drivers who use Ticket Snipers to get their traffic tickets dismissed.